Alright, well today I'm going to talk about how we should set up our spray gun to apply the activator that we have. Okay, as you can see, I'm using a Central Pneumatic Harbor Freight gun. You don't really need a $200 or $300 DeVille Bis or SATA gun. One of these will work just fine. I'm using a 1.4 millimeter tip. Usually it'll have an engraving right here on the tip showing you what size tip you have. So we're spraying with a 1.4 millimeter tip gun. This is a HVLP gun. And this is a air pressure regulator that we have here at the gun. That way we don't have any restriction of air with our air hose. Okay, so first thing that you want to do when you're going to be spraying your activator is, of course, load your hopper up with the activator. And we supply it in quart containers and in gallon containers, such as this one right here. So first thing you need to do is agitate the activator inside the container. That way all of the solvents are evenly distributed when you're pouring it into your hopper. Because it does have solids in there and they can settle after a while. So if you don't stir your container up, you can have issues. So we'll go ahead and pour some of the activator in here. You always want to make sure you get a good seal on your container. That way you're not having any evaporation of any of the solvents. So I'll go ahead and close our lid back up here. We've had our film soak in here for 60 seconds already, over 60 seconds. Our water temperature is about 90 degrees, right where it should be. Now, when you set up your gun, you have most guns have an adjustment to where you can put the pattern, either a circular pattern or a fan pattern. I prefer the fan pattern because you get a more evenly distribution of the activator onto your film. Also, you should have a knob to adjust the needle inside the gun, and also a volume flow control knob for your air volume flow. So basically, you want to set your gun up to where you have a good steady stream of activator coming out, and you don't want too much air coming out behind that, because if you have too much volume of air coming out behind your gun, what's going to happen? It's going to vaporize the activator, and you're not going to have enough wetting action of the activator on your film. So I'm going to go ahead and apply some activator here on the film. So really all it needs is about 2 to 3 light passes in each direction. So as you can see, the film has glassed up and gotten liquefied, and at this point we can go ahead and dip our part instantly. You don't have to wait 20 seconds, 30 seconds like other activator. As soon as you have enough activator on the film, it's ready to dip. So we'll go ahead and set up the gun here. I'll take my sample piece that I'm going to dip. Just one fluid motion, 30 to 40 degrees, and all the way through. See how the activator is all liquefied, the film? There's no solid particles of the film left, telling you that it is fully liquefied. And that results in a successful dip right here. So if you're not having good luck getting a good dip, before you go saying that you have bad activator, it's more than likely just the settings on your spray gun that you need to adjust. You can give us a call if you have any questions about how to set up your spray gun, or you can email us at info@elpasopowdercoating.com. Thank you.